I saw the warm water. Yeah, people around us. And yes, I was the first hospital in Jamaica, right? So here I got that, yes, I was the first hospital in Jamaica. Okay. It was a, so the fountain was a, it was a hospital first. And I'm turning it now a hotel. Okay. So near that my people, but fountain was an hospital before the people them turn it into a hotel. Yeah man, see the water the people are shocked at that, you know, people. I him take care of the place. Yeah man. This used to be the pump house. So guys will stand up in front of the hot water spring right now. I'm stand up on one of the bed. You get your wash off with the warm water. So when you fly down, come check in. You get your warm water. Yeah man. So people, this is one of the guys that conduct the massage. This is Richie. So when you come down, you can check out Richie. Ask Richie. Jacob. Okay. 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 Alright. Check in with people. So right now, this is the cold part. It's over here, so the water cold. Over here, so it's warm, you know. As you can see, we don't talk to Father Richie a while ago. That's one of the guys that conduct the massage down here.
It warm Jamaican. Oh, but why you tell the people that are foolish this? That is it. That is it, my people. That is it. You see it, my people. Yeah, you remember me, I'll show you the part up there, so my people, where the warm water start. Yeah, but
It tastes nice.
yeah man, it tastes
Fine.
nice.
Yeah, taste the God, you want to taste it. The people just don't taste the water, you know. Yeah man, the water nice. You got that, go take for him to fear taste share right there. How you want me to do it? You want more of the camera? The people will just come from the fountain and I way back out. So we're here at the bad fountain people. Yeah, go on man, I'm forward. The people, see, and them very hospitable. Yesterday, they my help daddy go. Wow. So we live loving, very loving. So as you can see, them a demonstrate how the massage is being done. Eh? The same place you want to make the bath too. When people share one of the nice lady them over here too, I go help you get your healing. So the warm water that she go apply. Look. She a sap him with the healing water. Yeah man, the water warm. Mm-hmm. People look at that. People on their way and then if you come down, come check out that spot here. You know. Yeah man. So wife, you know, when you come down, you definitely have to check in, right? Yeah, so. Yeah. Yeah. The people look at that. Unity, so them live. Nice. So we are Rasta over there, so main thing. Yeah man, check in. Rasta just don't take care of that the people. You see? And when that the session done, him still a take care of that. We'll come back for some of this I wanna gather. Now we'll come back for some of this for my foot. Yeah man. Show them how it work, you know. You show them what to expect when they forward, you know. The youth now the blue now walk up on the camera. I tell you about you now, listen. Nah, listen, God. The more people just come. The water hot, man. I mean, I go on now. Jump off and test your foot. Every time, yeah. I see every time work. So when I have a jump off and test your foot, them not say, I really know what I'm when I have a jump off and test your foot. You say now follow me and test your foot too quick. But you test it though, you're general. So people, this at the spa and hotel over here, so next side of property. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a stop right here so I put on some socks and something on my foot. The people check in, stick and stay and watch what go on. Jamaica at the best TV. They're out here. So people, this is a bar, Fountain Hotel. So I'm coming from the Fountain and this is the hotel. Fountain as well. Come on. The people, this is the bar, Fountain Hotel. The people, this is the hotel. And this is the number for the hotel. People say if you want to contact them, book a date. So if you want to book a date to the number of the peeps. Yeah. So we have Godfrey out there, so I read the sign. The man that tell me say I can video. Yeah. The man that tell me say I can video run gone. The people see the river, you have the river. Right beside. So that's where we went up there. But now we're over by the hotel. Yeah, book your reservation, Gada. Yeah, book your reservation.
Of the sick and infirm was erect and as a what's that? In what?
Infection of the Honorable Charles Price Peter Balletti and William Forbes. Commissioner for carrying the fame, the foundation of which we began. The March 1747. So people see the rates them here if you want to come check in. So we know my wife are watching. So people, we are inside of the bath fountain going upstairs. We're going upstairs. Water chemical analysis. So this is the fountain, this is the fountain, this is the hotel. Yeah. This stands, this is dining area. And this is where you sit and have your meal. And
That's the truth.
I don't really my life like it, just come up here. But I like it still, I like how
That is it.
that's a setup.
The bush settings is proper still.
Yeah, that me I set
And
here.
my start now, nothing.
So people, this is the balcony
Third floor,
outside.
Now we are showing people them how beautiful
And
the
this is
fountain
where
and hotel
you
and all
sit
these
and
things,
eat.
you know? Yeah.
Have your breakfast. So, wow. So, yeah. So people, that's upstairs. That's downstairs. Yeah. Original wood. Yeah, that's the original. You have a flat screen TV where you watch. And this is the treehouse dining room. Aye, aye, aye. You have a restaurant on here, sir? Hello, good afternoon.
So we know that beautiful lady here now come from here castle. Her name Godfrey. Yeah man, we know that beautiful lady. Yeah, because you know you are a part of this beautiful heritage of ours, the people of the world. And what I realize.
So what's your name?
I'm Godfrey, as I say.
Oh, you had mentioned it?
Yes, I'm Godfrey from here castle.
Okay.
Yes.
Please to meet you, Godfrey, and
Yeah,
welcome to
man.
God Fountain Hotel and Spa.
Yeah man.
So what's your motive, Godfrey?
Alright, I love how you feel the vibes in front of the camera them. Honestly. And mommy, yes, so what the motive? What would you tell my people to bring them to Bath Fountain? Viewers and subscribers from all over the world.
Well, Bath Fountain is a national monument. It's an historic site. It has been around for quite a while. Way back from maybe in the 17th century, Bath Fountain was found by a slave by the name of Jacob. What happened? Jacob was running away from his master, and so he broke up the hot water. He had an ulcer on his feet, and he bathed the ulcer in the hot water, and the hot water healed the ulcer. So he braved the wrath of his master. Because remember I said he was running away now.
Yeah.
A slave running away. So he braved the wrath of his master, and he went back to tell his master about this place that he found. So that's how Bath Fountain came about. So from then on it was established. Initially it was like a hospital setting. After they found it and they established it.
That's what I was told today.
Pardon me?
So that was I was told
today. It was like a hospital setting. So it was, initially it was for like people that sick and infirm. So sick and infirm people who come. And then over the years, you know, they renovate and so forth. And they change it into a hotel. So it is now Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa. So we have a restaurant, we have accommodation, we have like roughly 16 rooms. We have a restaurant where you can get like local meals. Like for breakfast, we do like the nice Jamaican ackee and saltfish. We do like callaloo. If you are a vegetarian, like for lunch, we do a vegetarian meal.
So why if you hear that, well, if a vegetable don't have feel?
Our special is a veggie stew. We
What?
did a veggie stew then a coconut milk with like peas, peas and pumpkin.
Veggie stew, my people hear that?
People love it. People come back with a veggie stew then.
I believe you.
Yes. And I am the veggie stew specialist.
Okay, so people when they come check in with the vegetable specialist.
So I am Lorna Law. And I've been working here for over 33 years.
So that means a lot of people know you and meet you by just coming to this
Yes,
place, man.
yes.
Okay, so this is
we have had guests who come back, they come and they would ask for me because they get familiar with me, so they would ask for me. Yes, so basically that is it. You know, we have the bath downstairs.
Yes.
A can tell you that the bath, people say it's good for every little thing, but I do know that it's good for pain. Once you have pain, it's good. And recently we have a professor that keeps coming over with his mother.
Yeah.
And like when she come over, she will be ailing, and by the time she leaves, she will be feeling better. So I have seen over the years where the water help people, you know. Yeah. They come limping and so forth, and by the time them leave with a better vibes, feeling better.
Yes, I jump off a rock and taste the foot now.
So I would say the water.
I'm gonna sap
It's
it.
really good.
It's really good.
It's really good.
I'm a purchase on a
I've
peppermint
been
oil.
working here
Yeah.
for 33 years, as I said.
Yes.
Flu just hold me down for like a few days.
Yeah.
Once I bathe in the hot water,
Everything good.
yeah, it really helps. Yes. So this is basically what I have to say.
Yeah, it is multi-purpose.
Yes.
And you can just tell people and say more people just come on to Bath,
Yes.
down to Bath Fountain,
Come over
Jamaica.
to Bath Fountain. This is Bath Fountain.
Yeah.
1 in a million.
Located
Come
in
over in Bath.
St.
Yeah,
Thomas,
Fountain Road, Bath, St. Thomas.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man, you
That
can
is
come
it.
over and enjoy the hot water and not forget the restaurant to eat up some of the good food. Because guess what? You see, with food are just mostly organic stuff we do, you know, because we buy like local stuff from
The farm.
one of our own staff here and do the farming up in the hills.
Oh, okay.
So we don't use no what for like good banana and stuff, real organic stuff.
Yes, yes.
Because we, as I said, we get those stuff from, you know, one of our staff that do the farming up in the hills.
And thank you very much for your time.
Yes, man, you're most
and
welcome.
And you're going to see us again very
Yes.
soon.
All
And my
right.
channel is Big Jamaica.
People
Yeah,
go
the
upstairs.
place big,
Yeah.
man. Place big with views. So we just look around, you know.
So we upstairs.
Yeah, 16 rooms. This is
Please
how
wear a
it is, you
face
know.
mask. Yeah, me here.
So you
Yeah.
know, say a big
No
place,
smoking.
Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, that is it. Fully civilians. So the first room that you see Jamaican.
Yeah.
See that? Nice and people. Nice. Really nice. Closet, everything.
So you have your bathroom.
Yeah. Everything. Yeah, you can get time off your day.
Yeah. Your lights.
Really nice. Awesome. When I tell you
Some
Jamaica,
awesome
the
experience,
place
man.
really develop awesome and nice, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You can't afraid to come spend no time here with your family. It is very comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recommend comfort. Even though, you know, I know the best, I know what you say, I know the richest lifestyle, but you can live a comfortable life spending a few years here. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Flat screen.
Yeah.
A fan or a AC.
A flicker fridge.
Look at me seeing an AC. Or no fan.
You see, must stay about, man. If I even in a 2 room, them also.
Yeah, that the youth they tell me this is the exit. So.
Yeah. People outdoor back veranda, where you sit down and relax and chill. That building over there, don't know its purpose.
So people, that's been an awesome experience. Right now, yeah, the spa.
Jamaican at them best TV. Alright.
We have a fire extinguisher. You know, we have some very nice rooms here, people. Some look occupied. Yeah, nice little setting.
Every room have them bathroom and something.
Yeah, man.
Built in. And then it's a good look. Now go around at the next side. No, sir. Alright, people, now go back downstairs. Every room built in, bathroom, closet, this, TV, that. You know? Some people, if you want to spend a week, you can spend a week. Yes, honest. Yes, genius. Respect. Yeah, man. Some people, this is the side we never enter. Yeah. Alright, so this side. I got Frostburn YouTube channel. And
Jamaican
at
at them best TV.
Godfrey Osborne YouTube channel. Yeah, a YouTube. Yeah, man, respect for that. Yeah, man.
So people will just show a preview of some of the rooms.
Yeah, man, some of the rooms where them is like some bigger than some Jamaica.
Yeah.
Some like a house on the land. spend 6 months Jamaica. Come on, look. See the people hot and cold water and all these things. Yeah. Talk to me now, man.
Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Bathroom nice.
How a place look Jamaican?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you mean? You see me? So you see the people. Alright, they have a back balcony to that one here. Jamaican. Back balcony there. You see it? You see down there? Yeah, man. The place is awesome, man. Yeah, man. You like a fridge. You know, your quarters, store your own gadgets, your own things. You have your own gadgets. Gadget store, that fridge. Yeah.
Continue down the line.
So
we are going. Another room.
Gentleman room.
Another room.
Bathroom there for like anyone, guest, any guest.
No, them bathroom are not for any guest.
Yeah, for like
Them bathroom are for them, I guess, that's all. Yeah, my people, so not every room have a bathroom, right? Not every room consists of a bathroom.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, so that is it, my people.
That's one Jamaican. Yeah.
I say you go, man.
Some people, this is downstairs, outdoor.
Yeah, it's a nice eco settings. Yeah, you have a next bed in here. So people going back downstairs, no? It has been an awesome day, people. At an epic adventure we are today in Jamaica and at the best TV. Today we'll be visiting the bath fountain, hotel and spa. We also went up to the fountain itself, the original fountain itself. See some original wood there, authentic glass, you know? Yeah, man, people, so that is it. Mm-hmm. At least we get somebody to interview. Yeah, this is like the waiting area.
We can't come in our public space and we heritage and we can't get somebody to talk. To talk the truth.
For real, man, this is like the waiting area.
Let's say. What kind of section that Jamaica?
This look like the waiting area.
Yeah?
It look like the waiting area. I mean, that more inside the bath. So this is the river, peeps. The river runs right beside the bath. It is right beside the resort, you know? So you can always come out and really listen to the sound and nature. And if you want a room close to the river, yeah. And a variety of flowers, you know? So people, this is the toilet. The toilet. Oh, so people, these are the baths, hot water baths. And they have another bath here. Yeah. See another bath in here, so again. So people, that's how the bath them looking out. Yeah man, no joke. But fountain and spa. And soak in your hot water, you know. So those are the steps. You have the steps you need to step down. Walk down. Safety first, yeah man. You make sure so when it's safety and you have stands in your foot stand. I see another step. So if you don't want to step down, you can take a bath. Yeah. And you have hot water, cold water. Yeah, another hot water bath. This one is like shower, people. Right? This one is like a shower. So see the shower head there?
Yes, my family, this is the real water, that's it.
True.
Straight from the hills, no additive. Yeah, man, straight from the hills, man, no additive, man.
And-
Real thickness, man.
I'm not cut the general, but tell him about the bath them done. Mommy said that one here called
Roman's bath, it's the Roman's bath.
Ah.
On the left side, yeah, the Roman's
on the left side.
The Roman's bath.
Roman
bath.
bath.
Come in and you soak.
Okay.
Full on your right.
So people in here, this,
And that one there, the jacuzzi.
and these over here.
The jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Oh, right, you know what you
When you go in
mean.
there, you just turn on the jet and it bubble up.
Okay.
Yeah, man, massage, you know.
True.
Real thing.
Real thing.
Yeah, man.
So people, these are the jacuzzi. No additive. You hear that, peeps? And over here, so you have step down and walk down. It's called the Roman's bath.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See that?
Natural something.
Clean. Pretty. Get rid of all pain,
That's why
people.
you come if you want the full 100 water.
So you hear that, my peeps?
Full 100 water.
And here, so you're more safer people. You're nobody na rob you, nobody na do you nothing.
No harassment inside.
Yeah, man. That is it.
Really a place for people to take vacation and come full jar and sell it as I just say, no one now interrupt no one. We have so many space, so many vacancies, all in the room.
Yeah, refreshment I sell out there, so see where people
Same
sit
way,
there.
you know, I have a
We
fridge
also
upstairs.
have the kitchen upstairs same way.
Yeah, we check out this already.
Restaurant,
We check out the
bar,
kitchen
same way, everything
already.
we have.
So you hear that,
Yeah,
peeps?
man. Full 100 light, man. You know, miss nothing inside there, so.
Yeah, man.
All of them, we have the red slab there, couple joint, all of them. Very refreshing, you know.
Alright, people. So you hear from the man himself. So your name, father?
Curtis, my name, you know.
You hear from Curtis himself, peeps.
Yeah, General, and I want you here, I want to find out.
I live here now and I've done about more.
That is it. So people, Curtis had 11 years of service up here in the peeps. So if you check in with him, you know they're in a good hands.
Yes. So tell the people them something about Park Fort 30. So now I've moved in transportation to mobilize people to and fro and so in case then they here for a week and one.
Yeah, like how me and my man. We have a booking for the week. Oh,
We
yeah.
have a transport, you know, we use the car, like outside that school, but at the same time, we have a transport to work at the
Okay.
So,
So it's in the making though with people. So just check in for that. That is it.
So Jamaica, now you like the place the first time you come from you.
One I like, you know, I love the place, you know.
You see that and I like. I love
Yeah.
the place. That is it. But people remember, you know, please like, comment, share and subscribe at Jamaica at MS TV. Jamaica at MS TV is doing an awesome job with people. One of the first person to interview someone at the Bath Botanical, at the Bath Fountain, and publish a video with the Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa. You see
So
that,
people, if you're tired of walk, go up the long hill. The long hill, 1 hour I walk go up the long hill, see shorter route here. Yeah man, so all of the elders them who afraid of the long hill, just drive and come park up,
Yeah,
man.
man, and the water.
The staff there will take care of you guys.
I want to tell you something. up the hill and get the harassment, not inside.
The many benefits.
And many people come a bathroom and then go back and say they get harassment at bathroom. But then not specific where a bathroom and get harassment.
It's up the hill. You hear that, guys? I have camera surveillance, people, so you know you're safe, you're secure. Yeah, man.
General, not tell no lie. It's a good look. And see all the years of service, keep up with it. And you're going to see somebody come and say, first time to see you on YouTube and Jamaica at FS TV, right? Yeah, man, and remember, you have enough one and to go come. Now we don't stop coming up. Till bad phone get some more highlight. Because this video that we are doing, I'm going to give this place whole heap of highlights, you know, my brother. Mark my word. And we not stop coming, because we're here to do a highlight Bad Fountain and bring more tourists to the natural heritage what we have in our country, Jamaica. Respect. So, them go on and so much miles to walk up in a bush and still have niceness up here, Jamaica. Don't
Yeah,
only
man.
my luxury.
Nowhere in the world
Only
you
my
can find
luxury.
this. Yeah, all that bathroom.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
I
Blessed.
cut.
Alright, Jamaican, peace out. Mommy. Blessed love.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mom. Good afternoon. And I am Godfrey, and I have a YouTube channel, just doing a survey on the Bad Fountain. Want to know how well is it going with you since you have been here, and the encouragement that you would like to give to others, tourists, people from all over the world, to come to Bad Fountain.
Okay, well, I've been here a good while. When I say a good while, a good while. I've been here 33 years.
My God.
I'm Alet Mitchell from Bath.
Yes.
Okay.
Bath.
Yeah.
And I'm the supervisor here. So, whatever goes on here, in a farmer, I'm responsible for
The action.
everything here.
Alright.
So you now want to highlight this place
Yes.
on your YouTube?
Yes.
Well, it's a good look.
It's a good look moment.
Yes, publicity.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Because as you notice, Bad Fountain don't get a lot of advertisement.
No, that's true.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that what you
Because
say.
for a place like this.
It should be more popular.
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
Because it's an historical place, and it holds a lot of good memories. The water itself has a lot of healing properties. As you all know, people from all over the world, celebrities, all of them come here. But what they do, they go up the hill.
Yeah.
Because that's where they see on YouTube and whatever. The guys are up there. That's what they see advertised. So when they come, they just go
So,
up.
just a question before we go further, moment. Is the first you're doing an interview now, otherwise with a YouTube channel in Bad Fountain?
Yeah.
Oh, Godfrey Osborne and Jamaica at them best TV.
My.
Alright, blessed love. And moment, we are gonna see to it that this video go far. And if this one doesn't work, we're coming back again. Right, moment? Good. And
Because we have good water, we have good food, we have good beds.
yes.
Well, that, yeah, but see, we can promise us in July, them time they are going to see me up here.
Okay.
And we are going to bring
So
guests.
just encourage people to come and enjoy it.
Yeah, man. And
Experience Bad Fountain.
I'm going to tell them exact where to come, exact location in a Jamaica, which country, exact. Just tell them exactly where to
Jamaica.
come.
Jamaica, St. Thomas, Bath in the east.
Jeez.
And you don't go
my
up the hill,
battery-
peeps,
my
so
battery
come over
just-
to the Bath
my battery
Hotel and
just shut
Spa.
Right. They can go and experience the hill too, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But,
Come on.
Also, they need to check out over here, people.
right, yeah. Because most of the time people come, they don't know about in here. Because the hustlers outside,
Yeah.
Tell
they
them
don't
off.
allow them to come inside here.
Yeah.
They just take them up there.
Yeah. That I got change.
And the only time they
people
come inside there is
book.
when they come down from up there
Yeah.
and they want to use the bathroom.
True.
That's when they come.
Okay,
And that is bad. That is very bad. You need to support the place.
Of course.
Support the place. So that means you want to use a bathroom, you don't even have to ask nobody. You can't just find the ladies' room or you find the men's room.
Yeah.
You understand?
Give the people a choice.
Yeah, man.
Make them choose what they want.
You're right, mommy. You're right. And enough love again, mommy. What you say your name is again?
Inlet Mitchell.
Inlet Mitchell.
Mitchell. Speak up yourself. About school, me going now.
Yeah, but we born and grow bad.
Yeah,
Mitchell,
man.
we used to live in Potosi.
Okay, yeah.
If
I'm from here, Castle officially.
If you know them people there.
Yeah.
Saddle with dead guy,
Yeah, man.
every brother.
May I ask one from here, Castle?
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Lisa and...
Auntie Lisa.
Mm-hmm.
Auntie Lisa for me. Auntie Dodo, Auntie Dorothy.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, one big family.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Auntie Paulette, Auntie Delores, all of them.
All of them.
Yeah, man. Respect.
You don't know if you know my brother Oliver Nickel.
Must.
Neville.
Of course, we must know Neville.
Call him Skunk. Skunk.
Of course I do. Yeah.
That's a really good brother.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Yeah, man.
The only one that we have leave.
Yeah.
The half brother, but I don't really leave.
Understand.
Yeah, that two brother they
Yeah.
pass.
Yeah.
Alright.
And mommy, thank you very much for your time, and remember one more time, just tell the people there's something nice to bring them come stay 1 week or 2 week or 3 day or so at Bad Fountain. Let them know, say, as you see on the video, I show the people them how beautiful is this place, mommy. How beautiful is this place. And as you say, are the first people out there in the world is going to see it like this. My God, I'm so proud of ourselves. We are Jamaica, that the best
This
TV.
is a treasure.
Thank you very much, mommy.
A gem up in the hills here.
Gem,
Yeah.
treasure
My
in the air. Thank you. Thank you
Everybody
very
should
much.
come and experience it.
Yes.
So people here from Miss Inlet Mitchell herself. So
Okay.
I'm asking you guys for your support. Alright.
Yeah, man.
The people that is about Fountain and Spa. Yeah man, you can come check it out same way. Yeah man, so if you don't have the strength to go up on hill, you can come over here, so come check in, you can sleep. If you're weak. Everything there for them people. Yeah man, so just stick and stay and watch what I go on. Four 487-4958. 487-4958. Rasta Steve. So now come to Bad Fountain, please.
Yes, call Rasta Steve and make an appointment.
That is it. The Quaco Bush and the Sorcia people.
Yeah, man. So people, no come in, man. Use the Quaco Bush and the Sorcia and bath on the dog and the mineral clear. See it? Yeah,
That
the
is
pimento
it.
eye. The pimento eye, you know? Yeah? Pimento eye. That's the EXP and arthritis. You know me? Yeah? Well, my number is 3976-884 or one pot. Bad
That is
Fountain, St. Thomas.
It's 876 people, 1876 for foreigners. Yeah, you don't know it, go already.
Have everything, yes.
Yeah. Alright. So people, we have come to the end of our epic adventure. We are going down there.
You want everyone alright? What kind of party you keep up here?
But we just start the party yet, that we just start.
You just start out, so
Yes,
that's a good
yeah,
one.
yeah,
So
yeah,
me can come cook
yeah,
out
think
for your
about the
ends.
summer, yeah, the
Me can
summer
come cook
vibes.
out for your ends. Yeah, me like the ends to cook out. And steam, would I work. Jamaican at the best food you have on.
Yeah, man, I check out the place.
You know what I mean? Look for her.
Yeah, man,
See?
everything I get active
But
in the
people,
morning.
I the love of my life, you know, when you're not going to fault no one for support her here.
Right,
I
true,
mean,
yeah.
not play right here,
Yes.
so. Alright, the
Some
shop some
molasses,
have one name
people.
and so.
Molasses and you get the roots.
Roots and you soon get your natural
When you
honey
come
too.
in soon, you still have the sulfur mud.
Sulfur mud for fountain.
Yeah,
They
detox
use
your body.
detox the body. Alright,
cleanse.
you see that?
Help with wrinkle, all these things.
Yeah, you see that
Natural
Jamaican?
way, yeah.
Yeah, man. So just cool. My people, stay tuned.
Yeah,
See
man,
the
be
ends how it
blessed.
look on the road.